In a compact kitchen, a humble toaster oven becomes a creative ally, turning everyday scraps into memorable bites. First, carrot tops and stale bread fuse into crisp crostini topped with lemon zest and a whisper of garlic. Second, wilted greens meet shredded cheese, folded inside a small tortilla, then toasted until edges glow with golden color. Third, coffee grounds and citrus peels transform into a zesty crust for a quick savory crumble over roasted chickpeas. These three simple dishes prove waste can spark flavor when a tiny oven holds the idea steady.